Hey friends, if you wish to fix IntcAudioBus.sys Blue Screen error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is to update drivers. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Now go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. Select advanced options. Click on optional updates. If you find any optional updates here, then please install them. The next one is a system restore. Search for recovery in the Windows search bar. Click on recovery. Click on open system restore. Okay, it's not configured yet, so we will configure it. Okay, apply. Okay, we will also create a restore point, but you should create this in advance. Okay, now hit enter and let it create the system restore point. It will need a while for that. And then click on open system restore. Next, select a good restore point. Next and final, and then click on yes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.